Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix Bluetooth pairing issues on your JBL Tuner 3. So, what you guys want to do first is go over to the settings of your device and find Bluetooth. Now you need to make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. So for me, it's in the connection preferences and the Bluetooth. Now, I'll turn on the Bluetooth, and here what we can do, we can go back, and here we have connected devices. Now we want to reset our speaker, so hold the Bluetooth icon and the scan button for 5 seconds until you see resetting on the screen. You need to hold them once at a time. So now I'm holding them, and now it's resetting. So now we can let go, and we will see the language selection after it restarts from a reset. Now we have to click scan. After we click scan and wait for it to stop scanning every single radio signal, then we should be able to move on and proceed with it. So press on the Bluetooth icon to start pairing. As you guys can see, JBL Tuner 3 is right here, and we can connect to it by clicking the button. Sometimes the button just doesn't work and you have to add it manually. So wait a couple of seconds and see if you need to add it manually, or you will add it automatically right here. As you guys can see, we have successfully added our device. Now we can click done, and we can see that here we have our JBL Tuner 3. We can open it in JBL Portable, and here it will discover the product. So it takes a couple of seconds, now a couple of seconds to connect. And as you guys can see, everything is ready. So now, even if you had any issues with pairing it, this should definitely help. And if it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.